Wales, the land of the apathetic, the land of slavery accepted, the land of conditioning about our freedom, the land where people forget their history and what the great ambassadors of Wales, of being Welsh, taught us. Wales. It is the land of my fathers, the land of my mothers, but she sleeps. She sleeps in materialism and self. She sleeps because her people sleep. Only a brave few, men with courage, women with hiraeth, talk of a future of Wales, of what it could be, free from the hands of corruption of Westminster, the corporate banking elitist state, still bathing in our slavery, Wales, still bathing in the preconcept idea that Wales cannot be free. Wales shall be free. Come here,